How to use the technology most important. That's why I said technological fitness. Those who use cell phone irrationally, it develops, listen carefully, it develops impotency problem to the male and a PCOD problem, polycystic ovary problem, cycle problem, rhythm problem, period problem, Rutu problem. Please, doctors find it difficult to cure these things. One disease gone, second disease coming. We immunize one disease, taking vaccination, other disease ready. Why? The entire world has been living away from nature for 20 years plus. So away from nature, nothing but away from immunity. Away from immunity, we are prone to disease now, including corona method diseases. That's why I said, technological fitness, the most important. Fitness in the sense, rationality, how to use, how not to use. The use, unuse, misuse, abuse also must be understood. I tell you a nice quotation for you. Those who speak, those who speak cell to cell cannot speak dil to dil. Those who speak cell to cell cannot speak dil to dil. Okay, so technological fitness. Next, coming to sociological fitness. That means to mingle with society comfortably. When you are not able to mingle with society comfortably, there is some lacuna in you. There is some sort of energy deficiency in you. There is some sort of discomfort in your being becoming the best personality. The problem in the being continues in becoming. So being to becoming everyday activity. If you are not able to listen properly, you are mentally restless. When you are mentally restless, you definitely become physically restless. So listening, the best activity. Listening is the password of learning. The best listener, the best listener is the best learner. An intense listener, an extensive learner, an intense learner, an extensive speaker, an intense speaker, an extensive practitioner, an intensive practitioner, an extensive personality. That's all. So, sociological fitness, in our community, teaching community, academic parivar, you will find many colleagues. Some are smiling and cheerful. Don't you feel like talking to them? Smiling, cheerful, when interact with them? There may be one or two people very serious, sad and grim face, as if they lost everything. As if they are taking load of the earth globe on their head. As if they only suffer from corona. As if they are finding medicine for only corona. No, please. A serious teacher, a grim personality, a sad personality, a mad personality, a bad personality cannot become a good teacher. No, please. A teacher need not and should not teach everything, not necessary. Motivation enough? They can learn on their own. So teachers are facilitators. So sociological fitness, most of you are enjoying your lecture. Me to enjoying delivering my own talk with you. I'm comfortable. There may be one or two people. Discomfort. Number one, you need to understand 8 hours sleep, sound sleep without sound. Without sound is without the bronchial problems, allergic bronchial problems, respiratory allergic problems. Sound sleep without sound. So 8 hours sleep, 1 hour pre-sleeping, 3 hours right side sleeping, 3 hours left side sleeping, 1 hour dorsal, 1 hour ventral. So 8 hours sleeping, rest, 8 hours work, 8 hours hobby. Hobby in the sense your subconscious mind satisfaction. Subconscious satisfaction. Painting, drawing, singing, talking to people, helping the poor, helping the aged parents, serving the poor people. Doing something great service. Service is the high excess of your subconscious mental satisfaction. Please. Giving is a delight. Bible says, God gives and forgives. Man gets and forgets. Know thyself. Atmagnata. Know thyself. Biblical statement. Atmagnata. One life is not sufficient. No. Every life, every time, we are trying to know the unknown through the known. That's all. We are trying to know the unknown through the known. And finally, cosmological fitness. Fit well in the nature, cosmos, enjoying your due share of vitality from the nature or open cosmos. As per your height-wise, weight-wise, time-wise, reason-wise, season-wise, situation-wise, age-wise, you need to have energy. If you do not receive your due share of energy from the nature, or from the place you are staying or sitting or lying, you are vitally poor. You become prone to disease. You become sick. You sicken others. Open air, very possible, but try to have, consume due share of energy required for your brain and mind. The most important. Maybe you are economically poor, but vitally poor should never become. Go to the park, sit under a neem tree, sit under a neem tree early morning before 8 o'clock, enjoy Surya Pranayama, plugging your nose to the sun, inhale, solar energy, you become stronger and stronger and strongest. You can experience matters. Sadhana matters, not understanding, please. Anubhav, experience.